In this video guys, I will show you step by step how to add extra baggage in PAL Philippine Airlines. So guys, go to Google and search for PAL Manage Booking, click the first result, and then guys you see this is official website, click accept this one. And so guys, from here you have two options, add your booking reference and write your last name guys, and then click I have read to understand and term condition. After that friends, click your manage your booking. From here this option, when you click manage booking guys, you will have access to add extra baggage and your on your booking or your tickets. So friends, this is how you can do to add your extra package. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. Just write your booking reference and last name and click manage booking, and then you will have access to add extra package. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any problem, you can click here to change your travel plan. Thanks guys for watching this video.